What is it? What is it?
What's it a picture of?
What's a picture of?
We're in a trampoline.
Why do you think we gave you that picture? What do you think your gift is?
Go into Gracie. What?
Okay, what's something cool in that picture?
A trampoline.
Yeah.
So
And somebody's on it.
So we couldn't put a trampoline under the tree.
Look.
so
Instead of putting it under the tree, we took a picture. So
because we got you a trampoline.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well,
We haven't put it up yet.
we have to put it up. It's in the shed.
What do you think about it? You guys got a
It's a
trampoline.
14-foot trampoline, probably as big as this whole room.
I didn't know that.
I know. And it has a big net around it.
What do
But
you
why
think?
did we go in it?
Trampoline would be fun, huh?
Daddy, why did we go in it? We didn't go in it yet.
It's not set up.
Hey, what do you think about that?
I
You excited?
Are you excited to jump?